14 healthy breakfast foods that help you lose weight. Choosing nutrient-rich breakfast foods, including eggs and smoothies, can help support weight loss by helping you feel fuller longer. When you're trying to lose weight, breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day. Consuming the wrong foods can amplify your cravings before the day even begins. Here are 14 healthy breakfast foods that can help you lose weight. 1. Eggs. Replacing a bagel breakfast with eggs resulted in 65% more weight loss and a 34% greater decrease in waist circumference over an 8-week period. 2. Wheat germ. Studies show that increasing your fiber intake from cereal grains may benefit weight loss. Try using wheat germ as a topping for oatmeal, smoothies or yogurt bowls to add a bit of crunch and some extra fiber to your breakfast. 3. Bananas. Bananas can be enjoyed alone or sliced as a topping for yogurt, cottage cheese or oatmeal. Research suggests that resistant starch may help reduce food intake and decrease belly fat. 4. Yogurt. Creamy, delicious and satisfying, yogurt makes an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. 5. Smoothies. Not only are smoothies a quick and easy way to obtain a concentrated dose of nutrients, they also double as a convenient breakfast item that can accelerate weight loss. 6. Berries. Add berries to your morning smoothie, oatmeal or yogurt to take advantage of their unique weight-busting benefits. 7. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are a popular component of many diets and weight loss programs, and for good reason. If you are taking any drugs, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist before eating grapefruit. 8. Coffee. Some studies have found that your morning cup of joe could bring big weight loss benefits. Because of its caffeine content, coffee may aid weight loss by boosting metabolism and fat burning. 9. Kiwis. Sliced kiwis make a great breakfast boost. You can also add them to yogurt, smoothies or cereals. 10. Green tea. Take a look at the ingredients in almost any diet pill or fat-burning supplement and there's a good chance you'll spot green tea. 11. Chia seeds. Tiny but powerful, chia seeds are an excellent breakfast supplement. 19 people showed that 35 grams of chia flour daily significantly reduced body weight and waist circumference. Chia seeds also make a delicious and nutritious addition to tea, smoothies or overnight oats. 12. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a healthy and delicious breakfast option, especially if you're looking to lose weight. Oats are low in calories but high in fiber and protein, two nutrients that impact appetite and weight control. 13. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are loaded with viscous fiber, a type of soluble fiber that absorbs water to form a gel in your gut. Studies show that soluble fiber is especially effective at slowing digestion. 14. Nuts. Nuts provide the perfect balance of fiber, protein and heart-healthy fats, making them a worthy addition to any breakfast. Those consuming almonds had lost 62% more weight and 56% more body fat than those consuming complex carbs. Mix a serving of nuts into yogurt, cottage cheese or homemade granola to bring your breakfast to the next level in terms of nutrition. Thanks for watching.